Alright, I am going to run through this problem, but at the same time I'd like you to take a look at the steps I have written on the side. First we're going to distribute, then we're going to combine like terms on each side, then we're going to get all the variable terms on one side and all of the numbers without variables on the other side, and then we're going to solve for the variable. So let's get started. 0.6 times d. If you want to think of this as having a 1 out front, it would be 0.6 times 1d, which is 0.6d, plus 3 times 0.6 plus is going to be 1, what do we have here? We have 1.8 equals 3d. First step is done. We can't combine anything here or here. There are no other d terms on this side, and no other d terms on this side, or numbers to add together. So I'm going to bring this over to the other side. I'm going to do the opposite of the addition that is happening over here. I'm going to subtract 0.6d from both sides, and we're going to get 1.8 equals 2.4d. So we've isolated this. We have all the d terms on one side all by themselves and a number on the other side. What we'll do now is we'll solve. 2.4 and d are being multiplied. This is a one-step equation now. Divide both sides by 2.4, and 1.8 divided by 2.4 will give us 0.75 equals d. Let's see if that makes sense. We have 0.6 times 0.75 plus 3 equals 3 times 0.75. This is going to be 0.6 times 3.75 equals 3 times 0.75. 0.6, yes. So let's do that multiplication now. 0.6 times 3.75 gives us 2.25 on this side, and 3 times 0.75 gives us 2.25 on this side. This was just a check to make sure that we were correct in our work. Alright, so number 33 and number 34 are going to fall into the same process. I will get them started, but I'll leave them to you to finish. I'm just going to do the distributing part. In fact, I'll distribute and combine, and then I'll let you take over from there and solve and check. So 33 is 3 times 1.2b minus 1 plus 3.6 equals 4.2. Let's distribute. We're going to get 3.6b minus 1 plus 3.6 equals 4.2. We can combine these two on this side. I'm at the combined stage now. So negative 1 and 3.6 is going to give me 3.6b plus 2.6 equals 4.2. Now I'll leave it to you to subtract 2.6 from both sides and then solve for the variable. Number 34, the setup is 0.7 times h plus 2 plus 1.6 equals 17. I'll go ahead and distribute first. 0.7 times 1h is 0.7h, plus 0.7 times 2 is 1.4, plus 1.6 equals 17. 0.7h plus 1.4 and 1.6 are going to add up to 3.0 equals 17. Now you'll just subtract 3 from both sides and go ahead and solve for h. See what you can do with those and get back to me and let me know if this helped at all. Thanks.